What's up, y'all? This is Train G's with G on YouTube. Shout out to my cousins, Benito, Devontae for adding me on. Appreciate the love. La Familia for life. This video is going to be on Meta, formerly known as Facebook. Of course, it's one of those magnificent seven juggernaut tech stocks. It's one of the biggest ones in the world. It's worth around 1.5 trillion in market cap. The average about 12 million volume. It's a very volatile stock. Dividends don't really give you a deal. They only pay you 50 every 3 months, 50 cents every 3 months. All right, so I'm gonna go over this trade I screwed up on, y'all. I blew it. It happens to the best of us. It set me back about 3 to 4 months on a year. Before last Wednesday, when I closed out, I was up about 380 on the year. Now I'm down almost 300. So I lost a ton of money. But before that, I'm going to go over this daily chart right here. So for those of y'all that are trading Meta or that wants to do any options, right now it seems like it's going to hit the all-time high at 602 probably this week. I have a feeling because ever since September, it's hit the $600 line 3 times. Right over here on the 7th of October, then it dipped on down to 560, back up to 600. Right before Halloween, dipped down again, came back up a third time on the 12th of last month, then it dipped down way over here to below 550, like 548. And now it's currently up over here. On Friday, it closed out at 574. Today, shot all the way up to 593. So, all right, I'm going to show y'all the mistake that I did. I'm going to go to 5-minute time chart. This was like last week. So what I did a put option. I thought this was going to keep going down. So this was last Monday on the 25th. That's when I got in. The market opened up, it started going up, it started spiking all the way down from 560 all the way up to 570. So yeah, this thing jumped pretty fast in the first like 20 minutes of the day. Then it started tanking. I got in, apparently too late. That green little square, that's where I bought in. So my strike price right over there at 556. It was a 557 and a half put option, so the yellow line, that's my strike price. I earned it over here at 556. All right, so you see this hammer over here? I gotta zoom in for y'all. I should have got the hell out of this play right from the get-go. So that hammer right there, that's where I should have been like, I need to get out in timely fashion. Originally, this profit was supposed to, in this case, a loss was supposed to end right here. And right when I saw this green, big Muraboshu Japanese stick, I should have got the hell out. And I didn't. I held it overnight. I was stubborn. As you can see, it kept going green up until the next day. I was getting destroyed on the 26th. You know, I held it. And then I was thinking, okay, I'm going to get some of my money back because it dipped all the way down right over here by 563. I was only able to get about $4 back if I would trade at that time. The theta kept burning out, so theta is pretty much decay. Every day you hold a trade option, a contract, it takes money out of it, and usually it's about $10. But with Meta, this is taking like $30, $40, $60 away from me a day. So I was getting hammered big when it spiked up. So I finally got out on Wednesday, right before the end of the day. I put down $575 and I only walked away with 30. So I lost 545. That completely ruined my portfolio. And I hit a couple more times the previous week over here. I did like a little call right over here. It was a quick scalp. This was earlier last month on the 20th. I did a call and you see the green candlesticks going up. This is my my contract at 56250. It went up a little bit. I did a quick scalp. I seen this inverted hammer, so I got out and sold, made like $50. Then a few days later that week, I did another quick scalp, another call, and I was putting up like anywhere from 500 to 700 for each of these contracts. This one right here was cheaper. I got in right over here and went down, and then it went up. I seen another inverted hammer, got up out of there because look what happened the following day. If I would have held, I would have got destroyed. So you got to be careful. I'm showing y'all my losses, not just my wins. You know, I wouldn't be a real trader if I were to sell y'all a lie. I'm not going to really mess with Meta no time soon, man. I was experimenting because I had house money. I was up ready on the gear, and I messed up. It happens. But let's get to the news. The reason why, or part of the reason why this stock is popping, the reason why it went up so high today, $18.51, because of this news right here. I'm going to get up out of here after this, y'all. So, Meta plans new subsea cable project to expand connectivity all across the world. So, this is a $10 billion investment. It started off at $2 billion. I read another source. So, it's supposed to be a $40,000 kilometer project. It's going to take up more than that. So, that's about 20,000 feet or so, or 20,000 feet. And, you know, I'm not really into all this oceanography type stuff, man. But pretty much, to my assumption, internet service is going to be better for people who are in submarines or in boats, ships, that kind of thing. So the route, this is real important right here. So the planned route of cables currently sees it spanning from the East Coast, which is right over here, of the U.S. to India, to South America, and then to the West Coast of the U.S. from India to Australia, to make a W shape around the globe. So yeah, this is pretty crazy. So you got the East Coast over here. It's going to stretch all the way down to Africa, South Africa. And it's going to go up to the Middle East by India, so like I said, down to Australia, and it's going to come back over here to the West Coast. I honestly don't know if the world is flat or if it's round, but this is some crazy stuff. You gotta remember, Mark Zuckerberg, of course, is the CEO and the founder of Facebook, aka Metaverse, and word on the street is he's trying to build a bunker, an underground like mansion tunnel in Hawaii. We don't know if it's gonna be there, but that was a rumor that went viral last year. So you gotta think, like, this guy's on his son. He's worth over $100 billion. This is really chunk change to drop $10 billion on something like this. And yeah, you know, this tech stuff, this metaverse is real. As you can see, this diagram is about to be insane. Man, I just tell you, it's an amazing time to be alive. The fact that we're in this digital airspace right now is nuts. But yeah, that's why Meta is going crazy today. I think tomorrow it's probably going to bust through the all-time high. If not, it could bust back down. It could just reverse like it's been doing. As I showed you a little earlier with the chart, it just keeps bouncing down. But I have a feeling it's going to bust through. Am I going to put my money on this? No. Like, these options are about $700 to $1,000 a contract on average starting up. And I'm not trying to get myself caught up and blow my account. I'm too smart for that. But yeah, listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Until next time, this your boy, Train G's with G. I'm out.